Hello, welcome back to Erica's Little Welsh Garden. Today's video is something a little bit different. When we're enjoying watching our favourite videos, we don't always think about the time and effort that goes into actually producing them. Quite often we have lots of hours of footage and then we have to work out and piece together that final video in the editing software. And quite often that results in us catching loads of footage that is absolute rubbish, but every now and then we manage to capture some amusing footage. Before we get into the video, I just want to say a really big thank you to all of the content creators that sent me clips to make this video possible. I've put a link to everybody's channel down below in the description, so if you're not familiar with them, please do go over and check them out after the video.
Let's try not to.
I'll try and get a buttock on the brick.
Yes,
there we go.
A buttock on a brick.
Well, if you choose that, I dropped it.
So hopefully my little gardening gloves. So hopefully my little garden. I can't.
What I'm going to do first of all is get some more super soil weighed out because I just spilt that lot.
Or are you one of those people
in his Make Do Mondays this coming week, so keep an eye out for that. I will put a link to that as and when it comes up.
But we're here and there's now a motorbike going up the same lane as we live on, despite the fact have we moved to get away from that sound.
Hello, welcome back to Erica's Little Welsh Garden. Today is, what is the date? What is the day?
And today I'd like to talk about using
absolutely?
Okay.
Shoot! Alright guys, mishmashy type thing yet again. The super... blah, 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 blah.
He's going up, is he? Good. Been a funny couple of weeks, hasn't it?
Just putting it mildly. It's been a funny couple of weeks, isn't it?
We can't say that because it makes him ride his motorbike.
Really important to do periodically if you can have a little flat now. Woohoo!
You could easily... That will teach me to eat a bit of lettuce and then try and film a segment. I have got little bits.
There we are. I think you'll agree. Yock, he's what can you do? Yock is
Oh! Hang on a minute. Oh.
It's quite funny wearing this wireless mic because I carry on talking when I'm not in front of the camera.
So make sure that you are subscribed to both of our channels if you're in...
Yeah,
Right, okay.
I did this a couple of times when you were talking.
Yes, I know you did, Mike. I saw you.
What's that?
I did see you.
Sorry?
Are we going to give these?
It's been a funny couple of weeks, hasn't it?
For me, it's got to be this. A hori. Oh, God, at least I didn't cut myself, but I did drop the hori. In a hurry. Sorry, that was really bad. Oh my God, that was really bad.
Hello. Today I'm going to Hello. Today I'm starting to create our new vegetable garden.
Oh, there's a mouse. Okay, I'm going to move.
What are they doing? Do they not realise I'm trying to run a YouTube channel here?
Typical that it gets caught up on. What's it getting caught up on? Bit of poo.
Start to come out in early September and oh no. I forgot that I set an alarm.
We're obviously mid-February here now, so I'm really late, and the only reason that I'm actually doing this.
So it's actually shut. Really? Thanks for that, Kaylee.
Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is Sunday. What's the date? I'm not actually wearing my watch, so I don't know what the date is today. Is it the 25th? Hang on, let's start again.
Those of you that have watched my previous videos will know that that was because
what else we got?
Try and get the hair out of my face because it's just wash my hair and I can't do a thing with it. Okay.
Hello. Today we'd like to introduce. That's easy for me to say.
I've tried. That is my child hanging out of the window. Stan, I'm trying to. Come on now. Right, get back in there. Honestly, kids, you can't get anything done, can you?
Hello. Shut up.
The idea behind this in the inspiration behind this ear. What? God.
And today I'd like to talk about helping choose some of the right tools to use. Flip.
oh.
Hello. Oh, hang on, I've got enough spare arm here. That's right, I'll hold your hand then. Are you good to go?
All right, bye.
I'm just going to get you centred a tiny bit. There we go. Hello.
Hello.
Oh.
This sounds so much like we're going to do play school.
I really hope that you've enjoyed watching today's video. I don't know about you, but I really enjoy watching all of the behind the scenes footage. But before we end, I just want to say a really big thank you to all of the content creators that sent me clips and made this video possible. If you're not familiar with them, don't forget I have linked all of their channels down below in the description. So please go over and say hi to them. And YouTube have some videos up now on the screen that they think you'll like. So please go ahead and watch those, and I'll catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!